Hi, I'm here to bring you another video from Young Missouri Anglers. I'm going to be showing you some line you can get really cheap. It's called Get Vicious with Vicious Fishing Line. It is pretty cheap. I got it for $1 at Wally World, and there is 10-pound test, 8-pound test, and 6-pound test. I'm pretty sure there's 4. Yeah, there's 4-pound test, and it's 100 yards. That's a really good deal if you have an ultralight pole, because most ultralight poles can hold 6-pound line and 100 yards of it. It's a low visibility green. Take it out of the package for you. Looks like that. It's greenish. And yeah, I think it's a really good. It's pretty good for catching bass, bluegill. I like it a lot.
And crappie.
Crappie. Thanks for watching.